So if a patient goes to you, they're wearing a denture, or it's been determined that all of their teeth have to be removed.
Right.
What are their options in your practice as far as dental implants?
Well, that's quite simple. There's really three basic options.
Okay.
There's the full denture, there's the snap-in, snap-out teeth, and then there's the full set of teeth that are screwed in with dental implants that don't come in and out.
Okay.
Now, the denture, cheapest, easiest thing to do, but the least amount of satisfaction. You know, nobody wants to see themselves wearing a denture. Dentures, they slide around, they don't give you great confidence. You can't eat all the foods you want. The snap-in, snap-out teeth, you know, a lot of your newer doctors are doing this. They just place 2 implants here, they snap in a denture. It's a little bit better than a regular denture because it's got the 2 that grip, but it still moves around in the back. They're still wearing glue back there. It still has to be removed out of their mouth to clean and taken out at night. Still a denture. And the third thing is teeth that are put in and fixed in permanently with as little as 4 implants top or 4 implants bottom to 8 total.
A full arch of teeth on 4 implants.
Full arch of teeth on 4 implants. That's all you need. And it doesn't come out. And it gives patients the greatest amount of satisfaction. They can look, they can smile big ear to ear. They never have to worry about their denture falling down. They can order anything on the menu. They don't have to pick and choose in front of their friends. And it just allows them to get out there and live their life without worrying about their teeth.
Now the upper denture though, doesn't it have suction? It's pretty good.
Well, it does have suction, but that's the only way that it stays up. But I mean, obviously you've never worn a denture because it covers the roof of your mouth. You know, you've got this big bulky piece of acrylic up there under your tongue. You can't speak as well. You can't feel your foods. That's a big enjoyment factor with foods, being able to feel them on the roof of your mouth. Taste buds on the roof of your mouth. You can't taste your foods as well. So you can order the most expensive steak on the menu and not thoroughly enjoy it because you got this piece of acrylic that's blocking all your taste buds.
Do these denture wearers even say that the food tastes better? Spices come alive when they get their new teeth?
When they get rid of their teeth, I mean, just, you know, that feeling of being able to chew their food and know what it is and be able to really enjoy it, and the spices, they pop and they come, they didn't realize they were missing it before, and they love it. And it's just an overall better life experience.